Imagine every visitor on your website, blog or e-com store getting instant, human-like help, and then turning into a paying customer. Meet RoboBuyer AI Agent, the multilingual conversational AI chat that learns your business to answer questions and close sales on any site you own. On-screen text, turn visitors into paying customers. RoboBuyer guides visitors step by step, removing doubts and pushing them towards the buy button. Whether it's sales acceleration, lead generation, customer support, marketing or e-commerce growth, RoboBuyer is always on round the clock. On-screen text call-out, conversion optimization. Your site stops leaking traffic and starts converting more visitors into engaged leads, profitable bookings and instant sales. RoboBuyer AI Agent isn't just another chatbot. It's a revenue-focused AI closer built to turn cold clicks into raving fans and 5-star reviews. RoboBuyer AI Agent actually learns your business, your products, services, pricing, FAQs and offers, so it talks like your best sales rep. On-screen text, sales acceleration. Instead of slow email replies, RoboBuyer answers instantly, handles objections and nudges visitors towards checkout. For lead generation, it captures names, emails, phone numbers and any custom fields you want all inside a conversational flow that feels natural. On-screen text, appointment booking. RoboBuyer can qualify visitors and book appointments right inside the chat, filling up your calendar automatically. It also runs surveys and feedback flows, so you understand what visitors really want and improve your offers over time. Every conversation is designed to support, qualify and close, turning your website into a smart, always-on sales machine. On-screen text, create immersive chat experiences with AI. RoboBuyer goes far beyond plain text to keep visitors engaged and ready to buy. Deliver video messages directly inside the chat. A human-style video can welcome visitors, explain offers and boost trust in seconds. You can even embed videos from YouTube or Vimeo into chat to turn prospects into sales without sending them away from your page. Display visual images right in the conversation to grab eyeballs, showcase products and keep visitors on your page longer. On-screen text, in-chat voice recorder. Customers can record quick voice messages, making support and sales conversations faster and more natural. Together, video messages, embedded videos, visual images and in-chat voice create a rich, human-like experience that keeps people talking and buying. RoboBuyer AI Agent is multilingual, so it can chat in your visitors' preferred languages, building instant comfort and trust. For e-commerce growth, it helps shoppers find the right products, compare options and overcome buying hesitation in real time. On-screen text call-out, cart recovery and upsell support. RoboBuyer can remind users about abandoned carts and gently suggest relevant upsells. It supports your customer service too, answering routine questions, tracking orders and reducing your support workload dramatically. On-screen text call-out, 5-star reviews and raving fans. By responding fast and solving problems, RoboBuyer turns casual buyers into loyal promoters. From first touch to repeat purchase, RoboBuyer keeps conversations alive, so your brand stays top of mind and your e-commerce numbers keep climbing. Here's the best part, you can get RoboBuyer AI Agent Unlimited for your need and affordability purpose. We have monthly and yearly and customized plans. On-screen text, no worries, for limitation, unlimited usage. Use it on your websites, blogs and e-com stores without worrying about recurring bills. You get instant access, unlimited chats and the freedom to scale without limits as your traffic and sales grow. On-screen text callouts, sales acceleration, lead generation, e-commerce growth. RoboBuyer becomes your always-on AI partner for revenue. Turn website visitors into paying customers, engaged leads, profitable bookings and long-term fans, with one powerful AI agent working quietly in the background. Act now to plug RoboBuyer AI Agent into your online presence and watch your conversions, appointments and 5-star reviews take off.